Next, I just want to talk to you a little bit about Copilot. Well, more AI within Power Automate. Some of you guys have leveraged Power Automate a lot more than others. Power Automate is a fantastically useful tool that lets us interlink all of the products across your Microsoft stack. So whether that be Dataverse, Microsoft Excel, OneNote, all of the different Microsoft Outlook, all the different Microsoft products that you use, we can sort of draw into one automation platform and then get them all talking to each other and doing their jobs together collaboratively. So, for example, in the most basic sense, if you create a new record in Dataverse, Power Platform, CRM, you can get a Power Automate flow just to send an email off to somebody using Outlook. It could be a customer, it could be someone at your company, or it can ping a Teams message. There's lots you can do with Power Automate. Some of you, this might be news. Some of you, you already know that's in there, and that it's nothing new. But it's worth me just sort of setting the groundwork now, just to tell you about Power Automate. And if you're not using it, you'll ask us about it, because it's a very easy way to sort of interconnect everything. You can generate Word documents on the fly automatically. It can put rows in Excel automatically if you need it to do that. It can put stuff in SharePoint. There's loads of functionality within there. It'll also interconnect with third-party systems if you need it to too. The benefits that Wave 2 is bringing in is a lot more AI interoperability. So you can essentially, say if you've got a DocuSign, someone's put a signature on a DocuSign document, you can get AI to read the contents of that document. And let's say as well, they've got some handwritten comments on that document too. AI is clever enough to read handwriting, and it can actually put that into a static field inside of Dataverse. It can read someone's handwriting, convert it to text, and put it in a static field. I did this yesterday. From a personal perspective, I had to read some handwriting, and I got AI to essentially tell me what that handwriting said, because I couldn't read it. It's brilliant at that. There's all sorts of different things you can do with it as well. So you can see on the right hand side, I've kind of listed just some of the options that we have. So we can analyze positive or negative sentiments in a piece of text. So if a customer sends you something and they're happy, maybe you want it to flag something to somebody at the company to say, this is a happy customer, we've done well here, we've got a really positive email from them. AI can detect that. It can pick that up and let someone know. The inverse works with negative sentiments. If you've got an unhappy camper, a customer that's expressing dissatisfaction, again, it can analyze positive and negative sentiments, and you can get it to take action based on what you've defined. You're not relying on someone just happening to see something, or for a human being to manually check stuff anymore. It's clever enough to work out what fields say. It can take the context of maybe 10 or 20 different fields that are stored in all sorts of different places, maybe across different platforms, and then just give you a short summary on a header of what's in those fields. For those of you that use customer service, you'll already have seen this, because it's in the case management area at the top. Now you've got an AI description of what's happened with that particular case. You're not having to look in 6 different places for that information. It just gives you that summary. So big enhancements really with Power Automate. I'm really looking forward to implementing some of this for you. In fact, we have done already for a few customers. So yeah, extremely exciting there.